www.worldofitech.com. Welcome to Freelancing Tutorial. Do you want to have the freedom to work at your own schedule? Do you want to have the freedom to work anywhere you want? Do you want to have the freedom of your life? Then this is the right tutorial for you. The world is changing, and more people are moving to freelance work, to help them achieve a better lifestyle and income for themselves and their family. This freelancing tutorial is specially designed for those people who love to work from home and want to be his own boss. What is freelancing and what does it mean to freelance? If you have heard approximately the word freelancing, however, nevertheless do now not understand what is meant by freelancing. In this tutorial, you're going to learn the freelancing definition in detail so you can kickstart your career as a freelancer and start making money. Amid COVID-19, many peoples all over the world have lost their full-time job. Students are struggling to locate their dream job they eye on at some stage in their 4 years college degree. You may be thinking, so what is freelancing? Freelancing means to work as an independent company instead of be employed through someone else. Freelancers are self-employed and often called independent contractors. Freelancers are hired by other companies on a part-time or short-term basis. However, they do not receive the same compensation as full-time employees or have the same level of commitment to any precise company. With the rise of the gig economy, people are talking about freelancing more than ever before. And that's because there are more freelancers today than there have ever been in history. A 2019 study by Upwork and Freelancers Union indicates that 57 million Americans freelanced in 2019. And in line with the same study, 53% of workers aged 18 to 22 are freelancing. A rise in demand for freelancers. With close to 40 million Americans unemployed by last May 2020, people began learning online skills inclusive of content writing, graphic designing, web development, and even low-paying skills such as virtual assistant. In order to make ends meet, these American freelancers began offering these skills online, and a lot of them had been self-employed for nearly 12 months now. Pandemic certainly has fueled freelance growth. It's a rise of $1 trillion workforce. According to an Upwork report, about 59 million Americans are doing freelancing. These freelancers are producing $1.2 trillion in annual earnings. This new shift within the job marketplace has also allowed these freelancers to outsource their work, for that reason empowering freelancers from many South Asian countries. Other terms for freelancing. Not everyone uses the term freelance or freelancer on the subject of work that a freelancer may also do. In fact, even most freelancers refer to themselves as self-employed. So other terms you may want to be aware to that relate to freelancing include contract work, jobs where you're running to fulfill a short-term or part-time contract. Contract job, same as previous. Independent contractor. This is the IRS classification of a freelancer. 1099. Freelancers are paid the use of a tax form referred to as a 1099 (MISC) instead of your typical, full-time W-2. Sometimes 1099 is used to refer to a freelancer. Contract consultant. This term refers to a consultant coming in under a 1099 contract for a short period of time. Contract to hire. Sometimes freelancers are interested by full-time employment. Contract to hire roles offer a sort of test period for a freelancer before they may be hired full-time. This is about the what is freelancing and what does it mean to freelance. And I really hope that you have learned something from this tutorial. And if you like this tutorial, then give a thumbs up. And if you don't like it, then give a thumbs down. And also share your opinion about this tutorial. What do you think about it? And if you think that this tutorial will help some of your friends, then do share this tutorial with them. And also you can subscribe to our channel. If you want to watch more tutorials like this, and if you subscribe to our channel, then press the bell icon to get new tutorial updates. Feel free to leave us your suggestions in the comment section below. So thank you for watching this tutorial, and I'll see you in next tutorial.